Okay, in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a product from a data source of an API. All right. So when you come log into your main dashboard page, click on this create product, and over here you can see a range of a data source that you can use. So for this tutorial, I will be using PE-API. This means that we will be connecting this pricing source to PrintExpert pricing. Okay, so whatever you get from PrintExpert as a cost, it will be linked over here. And after creating this product, you will need to add in some profit margin because you cannot be getting the cost of like $10 and then sell at $10, right? So let me quickly show you how this is being done. Okay, select this, and then you can select the product that you want to create. For example, okay, let me show you a saddle stitch. Okay, let me change another one. Okay, booklet. Okay, so I will put, for easy to remember, I will use a PE. So I is to let me remember this is a PE source. Okay, PE booklet digital. All right. For example, I'm just you can put whatever name that you want. You can put in some description if you want to help you remember. Actually, by doing this, right, I'm already done. All right, so I just confirm. Nope, you see, I can show you the product is over here. This is the product that I have created, right? You can even preview. All right, it's here. So the next step to do is to set up the profit margin. Like I say, the pricing that you see over here will be the same as the pricing that you receive as a PrintExpert member. Okay, so let me set up the profit margin. Now there is a sample profit margin over here. Of course, you can just use, all right. These are the condition or the rules of the members, of the profit. And then confirm, okay. You can do multiple profit margin setting over here, okay, by creating this thing, this button, create, all right. Now let me hit back to the product over here. I just need to click and check this button, assign the profit margin. Now I only have one. All right, so if you have create multiple, you will see a list of products over here, a list of profit margin over here. All right, so for now, this and confirm. Okay, so now you can see that it's linked. All right, so all you need to do is to head over to your WordPress dashboard, create a product, and then select this product in your link. Okay, yep, so that's done.